All right, let's go over the AC method for factoring trinomials. Okay, step one, you want to multiply the A term by the C term. So 2 times 50 is going to be 100, negative 100. You're looking for numbers that will multiply to give you negative 100. Let's see, there's 1 times 100, 2 times 50, let's see, 4 times 25. Looking for ones that will add up to 15. 5 times 20, I believe that's it. So if you had a positive 20 and a negative 5, those will add up to 15. You look at the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient here is 2. We're going to divide both of these by 2. And simplify if we can. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And 5 over 2 isn't going to simplify. Just remember, bottom goes first, and it gets the letter. All right, there's your factors. You can always plug those into Desmos to make sure that what you started with and what you ended up with are the same function. If you did graph them and the parabolas are the same, then you know you did it right. If you get 2 different parabolas on your graph, then you know there's a mistake. Okay, on this one, we need to look for the GCF. I can tell everything's even, so everything's going to be a factor of 2. And if I add up the digits, 1 plus 8 is 9. 1, 1, and 4 make 6. Let's see over here, we've got 7 plus 2 is 9. I'm just adding those up. Everything's divisible by 3, because everything adds up to a number that 3 will go into. Like 1 plus 8 is 9. I know 3 goes into that. 1, 1, and 4 add up to 6. I know 3 goes into that. 4, 3, and 2 add up to 9. 3 goes into that. So if the sum of the numbers is divisible by 3, then 3 goes into these numbers. Well, they're all even. They're all divisible by 3, so that means my GCF is 6. So the first thing I'm looking for here is the GCF, the common factor. I'm going to factor out a 6, which is going to leave us with 3v squared. Just checking my calculator here. 19 plus 19v minus 72. So basically I just divided all 3 of those numbers by 6. All right, the next step is the A times C, 3 times 72. Again, I'm just plugging that into my calculator. 3 times 72 is 216. So I'm looking for numbers that will multiply to give me 216 that are going to add up to 19. Now, I got these by doing 3 times, let's see, 3 times 72, right? And I know 72 is 8 times 9. Let's see, how can we break that up? And 8 is 2 times 4. 9 is 3 times 3. Okay, I know one number has to be positive and one negative. The bigger one has to be positive in order for it to add up to 19. Did. How about 27 and 8? So if I take the 3 3s, times those together, I get 27. And then the 2 times 4 is 8. So 27 take away 8 would give me 19. So I've got V plus 27. And And v minus 8 divided by the leading coefficient. Oh, don't forget your GCF up front. Is 3. If it simplifies, go ahead and simplify. V plus 9. And if it doesn't simplify, bottom number goes first. It gets the letter. That one took a minute, but there it is. And always, you can go back and check in Desmos.com on your graphing calculator to make sure that the two parabolas, when you graph both of them, they're the same. And that's how you can check to make sure you did it right.